Namaste children. Hope you are staying safe and healthy. How can you identify a person is healthy or not? If he is physically fit, so you can call him as a healthy person? No. If a person is healthy, that means he should be healthy physically and mentally. That means he should be physically fit and mentally fit and social well-being too. So if you want to stay healthy, you should follow some measures. Not only doing exercise and good food, and you should also follow some measures. In this video, you are going to learn about how to stay physically fit, mentally fit and social well-being. You may ask me a question, ma'am, I am doing exercise regularly. I am eating good food, so I am very happy. No children, if you are physically fit and mentally fit also, there is one more thing you should follow. That is social well-being. Nowadays, so many children are not at all spending time with their parents. After going from school, they are using mobiles and watching TV. And now during this pandemic situation also, after listening to online classes also, they are hanging with the mobiles. If unnecessarily, please don't use mobiles. Please stay with your parents. Spend valuable time with them. Help them in their daily course. Then only you should be a healthy person. Then only you are called as a healthy child. So dear children, if you want to stay physically fit, do exercise, eat nutritious food. If you want to be a mentally fit person, do the work in time, don't be stressed for unnecessary things and meditate yourself. If you want to become a complete human being, a happy child, spend your valuable time with your parents, friends. Understood? Not with mobile or not with television. They won't stretch their hands to help you. Only your parents and family and friends will help you a lot. Dear children, try to understand what I am saying. Got it? So watch this video completely and follow the things. Hope you follow me. Water is an essential component of our body. To keep ourselves fit, water is also essential. 70% of body is water and 90% of blood is also water. So it is very important to drink 2 to 3 liters of water at least every day because it is very important for good health. A balanced diet means nutrients, water and roughage. Not alone water or not alone food or not alone fiber or not alone exercise. A balanced diet includes nutrients, water, roughage and along with activities. So to keep ourselves healthy, we must follow some exercise, good sleep, food, etc. A normal human being requires at least 8 to 9 hours of sufficient rest and sleep. Not 2-3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, right? So along with normal and good sleep, the human body should carry out physical activities regularly to keep ourselves in good shape and strong. To stay strong, we should follow some physical activity. Like exercise keeps the body agile, alert and flexible. We should stay strong and we should be healthy and happy. If you are healthy, you will be happy. So eat a well-balanced diet. Eat fresh food, cooked in a clean kitchen. So avoid outside foods. And follow a hobby or an activity that makes you happy and cool and stress-free. That also gives good strength to your mind. Follow a physical activity or sport. Whatever you can follow your favorite sport. You can jog, you can run, you can play badminton, right? Playing badminton is a good way to spend an evening, right? Keep your surroundings clean. Not only maintaining yourself, you should keep your surroundings clean. Sleep well and try to avoid sleeping late. So cut down television viewing in the night time especially, and don't watch TV for more time. Thank the Almighty for everything you have. Every day you should pray to God. Along with physical health, mental health is also important. We are living in a fast paced world. So, to balance everything, we should have good mental health also. Stress and tension have become common, not only for elders, for children also. So, it is a daily struggle to keep ourselves cool and calm. So, to avoid stress, try to stay with your positive minded people. Have a wide friend circle of positive and like minded people. Try to spend time with them instead of spending time with mobiles, television, etc. Laughter therapy works like magic. Laugh with your friends, crack jokes, spend time with them. And along that, learn mentally stimulating games like aptitude, reasoning, etc. Keep aside quality time for yourself and your family. Try to spend time with your family. Solve brain teasers for fun that stimulates your brain and keeps healthy. So, dear children, along with physical fitness and mental fitness, social well being is also very important. The family is the first social environment that we are introduced to. Our family plays a very important role in our upbringing. Try to spend more time with your family. Our parents and teachers mold our personalities and very often determine our values and ideals. Respect them and try to spend proper time with your family, friends, and your teachers. We should try to increase our interaction with our family and friends, not with mobile and TV. Playing with friends and peers improves your self esteem, sportsmanship, and develops coordinated functioning and teaches you proper discipline, how to behave, etc. Modern life is filled with too many electronic gadgets that affects your lifestyle in a very different way, adversely. So TV viewing, computer games, PlayStations has made coach potatoes of perfectly active youngsters. So try to avoid those. Don't stick to any place and try to spend proper time. And harmful radiations from mobile phones are affecting the normal functioning of brain. So try to avoid mobile phones when not in use. Start living a life away from these gadgets. If it is not necessary or not important, try to avoid mobile phones or any electronic gadgets. So, dear children, hope you all understood about how to stay healthy. Physical fitness, mental fitness, and social well being. I want everyone to be as happy as me. So, my students should be happy. Dear children, please spend your valuable time with your friends, family, and your teachers. Stay safe.